Your doors do more than welcome guests. They protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and add to your curb appeal. In Sugar Land, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms put extra stress on homes, doors can wear out faster than many homeowners expect. If you've been wondering whether it's time to upgrade, here are some common signs your Sugar Land home may need replacement doors. Rising energy bills without a clear reason. If your cooling costs keep climbing despite normal usage, your doors could be part of the problem. Older or damaged doors often allow air leaks around the frame, letting cool air escape and hot air seep inside. In Sugar Land's warm climate, even small gaps can force your HVAC system to work overtime. Replacement doors with proper sealing and insulation can help maintain indoor comfort and reduce monthly energy bills. Drafts or temperature changes near doorways. Stand near your entry doors on a hot afternoon. If you feel warm air coming in, or notice the area around the door feels noticeably different from the rest of the room, it's a strong indicator of poor insulation. Drafts are a clear sign that weather stripping has failed or the door itself has warped, both of which often mean replacement is the best long-term solution. Difficulty opening or closing doors. Doors should open and close smoothly. If you're struggling with sticking, scraping, or doors that won't latch properly, humidity-related warping or structural wear may be to blame. Sugar Land's moisture levels can cause wood doors to swell or shift over time. While minor issues can sometimes be repaired, recurring problems usually point to the need for replacement doors that are better suited for local conditions. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, dents, peeling paint, rust, or water damage aren't just cosmetic concerns. These issues can weaken the door's structure and reduce its ability to protect your home. Exterior doors are especially vulnerable to sun exposure and heavy rain. If damage is widespread or worsening, replacing the door can restore both safety and appearance. Excessive outside noise. If you hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity more clearly than you used to, your doors may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Modern replacement doors are designed with improved cores and seals that help block noise, an important upgrade for maintaining a peaceful home environment. Condensation or moisture between door panels. Moisture buildup, especially in doors with glass inserts, can indicate seal failure. This not only affects visibility and appearance but can also lead to mold or long-term damage. Once seals fail, replacement is often the most reliable way to resolve the issue and prevent further problems. Outdated style hurting curb appeal. Your front door plays a major role in your home's first impression. If it looks outdated or worn compared to the rest of your exterior, it may be time for an upgrade. Replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and materials that can instantly enhance curb appeal and even boost property value, something many Sugar Land homeowners consider before selling or refinancing. Security concerns. Older doors may lack modern locking systems or reinforced materials. If your door feels flimsy or doesn't close securely, your home's safety could be compromised. New replacement doors offer stronger construction and advanced security features that provide peace of mind. When replacement makes sense. While minor repairs can extend a door's life, multiple issues usually signal that replacement is the smarter investment. New doors improve energy efficiency, comfort, security, and appearance, all important for homes in Sugar Land's climate. If you're noticing any of these signs, exploring replacement door options now can help you avoid higher energy costs, ongoing repairs, and future headaches. A well-chosen door upgrade is not just a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in your home's comfort, safety, and long-term value.